Step into the world of modern logging, where roaring machines cut, lift, and haul giant trees with brutal precision. Subscribe now and witness timber power in full force. Welcome to Woodpath channel. A massive tree lies uprooted, but don't be fooled. It's still a sleeping beast, full of hidden danger. With the Johnson 2045 chainsaw in hand, the operator steps in like a warrior. The saw screams to life, tearing into the dense wood like slicing through the armor of a monster. But every cut is a gamble. Massive limbs, twisted roots, and internal pressure could unleash sudden, violent movement. One split second of distraction, and the price could be steep.
Whoop. Drunter war keiner. Oh ja, bisschen, ja. Ja, da ist er kaputt, ja. Du hast ja Zeit.
Near the peaceful riverbank, a large uprooted tree lay across the river. The man started the chainsaw in his hand and began cutting through the tree. The rumbling sound of the saw mixed with the sound of flowing water, creating a powerful yet poetic scene.
Popping down here. Hear it?
Get going.
Uh-huh.
In the middle of the dense forest, a giant tree stood tall amidst the green foliage. A worker wearing protective gear and a hard hat approached the tree trunk with a chainsaw in hand. He carefully checked the direction of the fall, then started the machine. The roar of the saw echoed throughout the forest, the sharp blade cutting deep into the old wood. Sawdust flew into the humid air. The tree trunk began to shake. The moment the giant tree fell was dramatic. In the quiet surroundings, only the roar of the chainsaw breaks the silence, a declaration of intent. The worker approaches the towering tree with steady steps and unwavering focus. Each cut is sharp, swift, and deliberate. The massive trunk trembles, then slowly collapses with a thunderous crash, as if nature itself bows before human mastery. The scent of fresh timber fills the air, and sawdust dances in the light. A clear space remains, ready for a new beginning. She wields the chainsaw with impressive precision. Moving confidently around the massive trunk, each step is deliberate. The saw snarls as it bites into the old wood. Sawdust explodes in every direction, a raw display of strength and mastery combined. Deep in the forest, the silence is broken by the soft hum of hydraulics. A powerful machine moves into place, and its mechanical arm, precise and fluid, extends outward. One by one, it grips the freshly fallen logs, lifting them gently from the forest floor as if they weighed nothing. The strength of steel and the finesse of engineering come together in perfect harmony. Each movement is calculated, controlled, almost graceful. This is not just logging, it's the dance of machine and nature. Designed for efficiency, built for power, the hydraulic arm turns a heavy-duty task into a seamless operation. In the world of modern forestry, muscle meets precision, and the forest moves at the will of the machine. Deep in a snow-covered forest, a powerful forestry skidder grumbles to life. Thick clouds of exhaust mix with the icy morning air as its heavy tires crunch over frozen ground. Attached behind it, a massive chain pulls a freshly cut tree trunk, dragging it across the snowy terrain. The bark scrapes against the frozen earth, leaving a clear trail behind. Snowflakes swirl around as the machine pushes forward steadily, engine roaring, tires spinning just enough to grip the slippery path. The operator sits focused in the cab, navigating between tall pines and uneven terrain. It's a slow, tough job, but the machine handles it with brute strength and precision, bringing the harvest out of the deep forest and one step closer to the lumber yard. Deep in the forest, the Kronman 300 moves through narrow paths and rough terrain with ease. Compact but powerful, this small forwarder is built for agility in tight spaces. The operator skillfully controls the hydraulic arm, which extends and grips a freshly cut log. With steady motion, the machine lifts the log and places it onto the trailer behind. Despite its small size, the Kramen 300 handles the workload efficiently, making it ideal for small-scale logging operations in dense forests. The hydraulic arm gently extends, firmly gripping the logs. One by one, the machine lifts the logs off the cargo bed and places them neatly onto the ground. Each log is positioned precisely to maximize space and maintain stability. The machine operates efficiently and steadily, ensuring the timber is organized neatly for the next stage of processing or transport. Deep in the heart of the forest, the tree-grabbing machine moves with calm determination. Its hydraulic arms extend, wrapping around fallen trunks with a firm grip. One by one, the trees are gathered, lifted, and placed into neat piles. In this quiet wilderness, the machine's steady motion brings order to the chaos of nature. It is a dance of steel and precision, each movement carefully calculated, each tree handled with power and purpose. In the heart of winter, a powerful logging vehicle pushes steadily through deep snow and rugged terrain. The engine roars against the silence of the frozen forest, while heavy-duty tires bite into the icy ground with determination. Every rotation brings it deeper into the woods, on a mission to gather freshly felled logs and haul them back to the staging site. Amid the cold and isolation, the machine moves with strength and precision, a vital link between nature's bounty and human industry.